Hello everyone. Are you looking for a flat screen display for your meeting rooms, co-working spaces or information desk? Well, we are here to help you make the right choice. First and foremost thing that you need to understand is that a normal TV display is not suitable for this purpose. All you need is a commercial display. Now, I'm going to share the top 4 criteria that you must consider while choosing a commercial display. The first one is build quality. Since these displays are being used in commercial spaces or by large group of people, the build quality of the display must be rugged. Second is the display quality. Since these displays are going to be used in varied light condition, high brightness index and contrast with high resolution image quality is very much required. The third is built-in OS with storage so that the displays can be used as a standalone device for displaying any images or videos without having the need to connect any external computer. Last and the most important one is anti-pixel burn capability. As the commercial displays are being used to display the same content for up to 8 to 12 hours a day, unlike a normal TV display, having an anti-pixel burn capability reduces the chances of ghost image issues. With Cybernetics commercial display series, we have made sure to deliver all these capabilities. Now let's see the features of one of the model from our series called FP65. Cybernetics FP65 is a commercial display that is built with a strong metal body and is protected with the matte finish toughened glass of level 7 hardness. It has a 4K Ultra HD display with 400 nits brightness and it comes with a built-in Android OS. Cybernetics FP65 comes with a built-in Wi-Fi and has all the standard I/O ports for easy connectivity. The anti-pixel burn feature of Cybernetics FP65 makes it best suited for information display purposes. Now let's see the varied use case of Cybernetics FP65. It can be used as a digital signage for information display in office lobby and cafeteria, in classrooms for immersive learning experience, in meeting rooms for video conferencing or brainstorming purposes. As Cybernetics has retrofit interactive devices for displays like Galileo and Thinker series, using them along with FP65 will enable you to get best value out of it using it as an interactive display. If you want to buy FP65 for your office or school, please contact us on the number which is getting flashed on the screen, or you can write to us on hello@cybernetics.com.